In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google to guide you through the process of censoring a part of your video using Clipchamp. This is particularly useful if you need to protect sensitive information or simply want to modify the visual elements of your footage. So let's dive right in. First, the essential step is to open your web browser and head over to Clipchamp. Once you're there, you'll need to log in or create an account if you haven't already. Clipchamp is a convenient, user-friendly video editing tool that you can use directly from your browser, and it helps to have all your materials ready before you begin. So if you haven't uploaded your video yet, make sure to have it ready to go. Now that you're in Clipchamp, navigate over to your media section. This is where you can access your uploaded files, including videos, audio, and images. For today's task, we'll be selecting a shape to cover the part of the video you wish to censor. Head over to the Content Library. Once you're there, click on the Shapes option. You'll see a variety of shapes that you can use. For this example, we'll use a rectangle, but depending on your needs, you might choose a different shape that better fits the area you're looking to cover. After selecting the rectangle, you'll want to customize it by changing its color. In this example, we are going to color it black, which typically offers the best coverage for censoring. Black is a strong color that blocks out the underlying content effectively, making it a popular choice for such tasks. With your shape ready and colored as needed, it's time to place it onto your video. Simply click and drag the black rectangle over the portion of your video you want to censor. Ensure that the shape covers the entire area you want to block out, and adjust its size accordingly by pulling on the corners or sides of the rectangle. Taking the time to position and size your shape just right ensures that the content beneath is completely obscured. And there you have it. With the shape in place, your video is now successfully censored at the desired sections. Once you're satisfied, you can go ahead and export your video. Clipchamp offers different export settings, so be sure to choose one that suits your needs, whether it's for high-quality production or quicker upload times. So you're all done. You've just learned how to use Clipchamp to effectively censor parts of your video. Remember, the key here is practice. As you get more familiar with the tools and settings, you'll find this process not only simple, but also an essential part of your video editing toolkit. Thanks for watching and happy editing.